on my shoulder.
Hey, what is up guys, it's Andrea coming to you with another video. So it's been about a week since we arrived here sa New Zealand, and right now we're heading to the bus kasi lalakwatsa kami. Actually, dalawang beses na ako nakapaglakwatsa pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi medyo nag-adjust pa ako din eh. Oo, may pag-adjust muna bago makapag-vlog. And ngayon, naglalakad kami sa parang pathway dito papunta sa bus stop kasi magko-commute lang kami. Ang saya kasi mag-commute kasi yung bus nila parang may card ka lang tapos itatap mo bago ka pumasok. Tapos ang luluwag ng bus, you know. Like no one beats a red light. Like everyone follows the traffic rules and everything, may it be the drivers or the pedestrians, and that's really great. Halos lahat kami ng lugar dito Instagram worthy. Yung pwede tumayo ka lang dyan sa kanto, sobrang Instagram worthy na. And grabe guys, umaabot ka mo so far sa 11 degrees. Pinakamalamig na naranasan ko dito so far. Sobrang lamig nun. As in, nakatatlong patong na ako ng damit. Tapos 2 patong na makapal na kumot pag natutulog. Diba? Bongga. Pa-winter pa lang kasi. So, hinahanda namin yung sarili namin. Now we're waiting sa bus stop. Ganda naman bus stop dito. Bus stop there. Bus stop here. Stop there. Let's do a challenge, Isaac. In the Philippines, it's called the Dalagang Filipina challenge.
Okay.
What you have to do is you have to tuck your hair behind your ear one time, and then you stretch your lips to the left side of your face as far as you can, like that.
Baby, wag ka nang...
You tuck your hair behind your ear, and then you stretch your lips to the left side as far as you can, like that.
Baby, wag ka nang...
Can you do it? Can you do it?
I think so.
Can you do it with me? 1, 2, 3.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
No, that one.
They actually have USB ports here, guys. You can charge your phone habang nabiyahe kayo. Here are my 2 cousins.
Isaac, say hi.
Isaac and Eden. It's Isaac and here's Eden. We're going to Takapuna.
And then later on, Takapuna Beach. It's a place in the city.
Okay, so we are at the second bus. Okay, so we're entering a shop right now. Now we're here in the 1, 2, 3 store.
1, 2, 3 Mart.
Yung silicone bracelets nila, baller lang sa atin yun, guys.
Ito magkano?
$16.50. Mga arts and craft supplies. Gusto ko lang ganito. Pool noodle. So, wala naman kaming pool. So, wala rin. Ano yun? Oh my God. I'm running on low sleep right now. So, that's not good. Baby wipes. Mga baby stuff. We're heading to the beach na. Isaac, say hi. Where are we going?
We're going to the beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach. Mukha akong hubad dito pag di ko pinapakita yung raffles na so. Burger King. Dito guys, ma-appreciate nyo talaga yung sunlight.
Oo. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung init.
True. What she says. Lalakarin lang namin yung pupuntang beach. So, ito yung nilalakad natin. Ito nga daw guys, sila Tito Bernard. Nagkakape sila sa arawan.
Oo.
Ganon kalamig. Kanina umaga, I checked the weather and how cold it was. It was about 11 degrees. Grabe yung lamig dito, lalo na pag gabi or madaling araw. Eh, nagpuyat pa naman ako kagabi kasi napos ko yung pag-edit ng graduation vlog. Dito guys, mababait yung mga driver kapag tawaring ka.
Totoo.
Sa Pilipinas, gagawin ko, pasta!
Oo.
Tibay ikaw, no? Lamig-lamig, nag-off shoulder. Galing! Daming kotse guys. Sa gilid ice cream truck. Ben & Jerry's. Di pa ako nakatikim nun. Ben & Jerry's. Pero napakinggan ko na yung Ben & Ben. Close enough. Kaya Isaac nakapamayawang pa. Tangan palakasan ng boses dito. Di tayo magkakarinigan eh. Lamig. Hintay sa araw eh.
Alika.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Lamig. Ay, saya dito guys. Opo na, masaya na ako. Grabe nga, ang ganda. Pwedeng pang postcard, alam mo yun. Hindi ko siya masusum, pero may sailboat guys doon banda.
Incoming.
Sa lamig, ang 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 lamig. Bus down, Tatiana, bus down. Ang lamig, Tatiana, ang lamig.
Lakad ka doon.
It extends from here to there. Yeah! Guys, you haven't had a closer meeting with my cousin, Aiden. Aiden, let's do the Dalagang Filipina challenge. He's shy, guys. His camera shy.
No way.
He's conservative. Let's do the Dalagang Filipina challenge, dali na.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
Ayaw niyo gawin.
Cringe.
Ay, EFAS! Oh my God! There's a bird. You say EFAS lang. EFAS. Oh my God! EFAS lang.
Efas lang?
Yeah!
Why are you happy? I don't know.
I'm just happy. Let's do the Dalagang Filipina challenge. Do you still remember how to do it?
Yeah, it's like you're gonna do this and then you put it.
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay
Yeah, that was great! Babalik ko yung off-shoulder ko mamaya. Hindi ko na talaga kinaya. Dito na kami sa beach. Ayan na po, naghagdan pa po siya. Ayaw niya po tumalon, kababa lang. Photoshoot kami doon. Yeah. What's up, yo? Napakalinis ng langit dito. Yung kulap yan. Parang ano, painting. Yan. Yan yung view ko.
Ow!
Iwan niyo na ako dito. Okay na ako. Sakit sa likod. So ayun, ginigina. Hindi makagalaw. Grabe, ang lamig. Umalis na kami doon kasi di ko na talaga kaya. As in, I curled up into a ball na lang doon sa ano, sa mat. So ngayon ata we're gonna go to Burger King. Like eat something or grab something. But I'm here at Burger King. Snacks or lunch? I only got like a slushie. Blue slushie and fries. And I'm not really hungry. Hello.
Hi. Welcome to New Zealand.
Okay, so we're heading home. Okay, we're just walking home.
We got off the bus.
Yeah. So I guess I'll end the video here. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new video. So this has been a Teenage Asian Girl and I can't really see the camera. I mean, the viewfinder. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.